How's it going, guys? I got a VideoMicro Rode microphone today, thanks to Rode microphone. There was a contest called the My Rode Reel 2018. All you had to do was submit a video and they send you a free microphone. It was pretty awesome, and I got it thanks to Rode. So big shout out to Rode microphone. So let's unbox it. According to the instructions on here, you don't need no battery. On the side, there's 2-year warranty, no battery required, compact size, and suspension mount included. So looks pretty cool. Let's check it out. Let me open it up. Okay. Nothing in there. Open this up. So here it is. Pull this off. It's really small. It comes with a cat fur. There's the shock mount. There's that, and a little small user guide. Well, I bet you guys are curious to how it sounds. So okay, I have the microphone on my Sony a6300, and this is the quality of the sound. It's very flimsy when I put the hot shoe on. Hopefully that's not a problem. You probably can't hear anything. Hopefully I'm gonna shake it a little bit, see if you can hear anything. But I'm hoping that it sounds better than my stock microphone on Sony. And Sony stock microphones is pretty good, surprisingly. But hopefully it sounds good. We'll do a comparison. Maybe might not. But quick video. It's been a while. I have a lot of videos that I'm planning to put out on video production, music production, and personal development. So many things. Make sure, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, my channel, subscribe now. Also support my channel by giving a like to this video. And I want to see who's watching. I'll give you guys a shout out in my next video. Comment down below, alright guys? And with that being said, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, man. It means a lot, and I'll see you guys next time.